I'm Joe.
I am Elliot. This is my coach, Ed. My coach is Silly. I love sports.
Good, because I'm an athlete.
Good. I'm playing basketball.
Let's love sign. Play. Play. Use sign. Play. Good. Play.
Are you okay, Joe?
Yes, I'm okay. Ah! So this is the basketball court.
Yes.
I love basketball. I'm really good at basketball.
Are you ready?
Yes!
And let's go.
Wait! Your shoes!
Where is my basketball shoes?
Basketball shoes? My first delivery. Wait here. Ah, basketball shoes.
That is not my basketball shoes. That is dancing shoes.
Dancing shoes?
Yes.
I love dancing.
You are silly, Joe.
Stop!
Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say,
Dizzy,
Dazzy, Day.
There's my basketball shoes.
Now,
Now,
let's play basketball!
Yeah.
Joe.
Let's love sign. Basketball. Basketball. Use sign. Basketball. Good. Basketball.
No. Oh. I'm really good at basketball too, Elliot. This ball is broken. It's broken. Don't worry. My second delivery. Wait here.
This ball is a shame.
No, this ball is good. Look.
This is the trophy room.
Wow. Look at all these trophies. And this is the Dizzy Deliveries Cup.
Yes.
We're having a match this afternoon.
Can I play?
No.
Why?
It's for athletes.
But I'm...
But first, we have to change our clothes.
Let's love sign. Close. Close. You sign. Close. Good. Close.
Please, can I play in the match?
No. But we do need a referee.
Thank you. Now, I want a good, clean match. That's 1 point for the Dizzy Deliveries team. One point for the blue team. And another point for the Dizzy Deliveries team. Blow it, blow it. It's a draw, and the next team to score wins. Elliot passes it to his brother. It's Elliot's team that's gonna lift the trophy today. Well done. Your team won the Dizzy Deliveries Cup. Hello, horsey. I love horses. Where is Rory? Hello, horsey. Do you know where Rory is? No? Ah, there you are. Hello, I'm Joe.
Hello, Joe.
Hello.
I'm here to go horse riding.
First, we have to do some work. We must clean the stable for the horse.
Okay, let's clean the stable for the horse.
Let's love sign. Horse. Horse. You sign. Horse. Good. Horse.
Hello, horse. Now, let's get to work. Good. Now to work. This is a bit smelly.
That's why we clean it.
Joe!
Now the stable is clean.
Now we can go horse riding.
Wait, the horse needs a bed.
My first delivery. Wait here.
Joe, that is not a bed for a horse.
Oh.
Yes, Joe, that is a bed for a horse.
I know.
Let's love sign. Bed. Bed. You sign. Bed. Good. Bed.
Now can we go horse riding?
No, not yet. The horse needs her shower.
I knew that.
And the horse needs shampoo for her shower.
Ah, delivery number 2. Wait here. Horse shampoo.
Good shampoo.
Now, the horse can have her shower.
Water. Oh.
Oh dear.
Oh, I'm wet.
What's going on?
The horse is clean. Now can we go horse riding?
No, you have to change your clothes.
Let's love sign. Horse riding. Horse riding. You sign. Horse riding. Good. Horse riding.
changed my clothes. Now can we go horse riding?
No, we need a hat to go horse riding.
A hat. Delivery number 3. Wait. Come on.
Let's go. Let's go. No, no.
The right hat?
No. No, yeah. Oh dear. The
Well, here we are at the sports centre.
jump.
There you are.
Yeah.
Hello, Casper.
Hello.
Hello, Joe. I'm Trina.
Hello, Trina. Casper, do you like to run?
Yes.
We should have a race.
Mm-hmm.
I think I will win.
I will win.
Oh.
Yes.
No, I will win.
I will win now.
Ready, steady, go! I'm tired. Oh, my deliveries.
Hello, Joe. Don't forget about your deliveries. Casper needs the ruler to measure how far he can jump. Let's love sign. Jump. Jump. U sign. Jump. Good. Jump.
Casper! I have a delivery for you. A ruler.
No, it's too small.
Oh, wait here. A ruler.
Yes, that's the long ruler.
So, this is where we do the long jump. We jump into the sand.
Casper, we should jump because I'm gonna win.
No, I gotta win now. I'm win.
Fine. Casper did a big jump, and I did a small jump. Again. Tennis? I love tennis.
Sure.
I'm really good at tennis. Let's play a game. All I have to do is hit the ball over the net. I think I will win.
No, I will win.
Let's play a match.
Let's love sign. Match. Match. You sign. Match. Good. Match.
Let's play a match. I have no tennis racket. My delivery! Wait here!
It's open.
I can... It's broken. We could play a game of football. Wow! Look at this.
Let's love sign. Ball. Ball. You sign. Ball. Good. Ball.
No ball.
Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry if it's not the right delivery. Just say dizzy, dazzy, day. A football. Let's go!
Go for Casper.